today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new ultralight camera backpack by Pgytech and why I think this might be the camera backpack that replaces all my other bags. I'm going to be going through some details of the backpack and what I like, and then I'll finish it off with things that I don't like. I should have probably started with the introduction of myself. My name's Brendan, and I've been a photographer and videographer for over 10 years. I've tested and used so many bags over the years, but finding a bag that works for me has been really hard. I want a bag that can be universal. I can use it for the trail. I can take it in airports. So finding that backpack has been tough, but I honestly think that this bag could be the all-in-one bag I've been looking for. Here's an overview of all my gear. Yours might be slightly different than mine. It might be bigger, it might be smaller. I just want to kind of give you an idea of what I'm carrying in this bag and how it works for me. Okay, so here's the bag by Pgytech. This is the OnePro Ultralight camera backpack. This is the 30-liter model. They have a 20-liter. They also have a 40-liter available in different colors. The 20-liter comes in space gray and misty green, and then the 30-liter and 40-liter come in those same colors, but then also a purple variation, which they call the Aurora Purple. So I'm gonna go through the bag really quickly, just showing off some key features I really like. But basically the outside of the bag is in this splash-proof material, they're calling it. They have a rain cover, which is conveniently placed in a pocket in the bottom of the bag. I love that they have an actual pocket for the rain cover, because a lot of bags don't have that. The only thing that I noticed is that the 20-liter does not have the pocket. I'm not sure why. It's only available on the 30-liter and the 40-liter. All right, so I'm gonna put the bag down so I can talk more about the bag. So the name is saying ultralight. It is quite light and comparable to other bags on the market. The 20-liter version is advertised as 2.87 pounds or 1.3 kilograms. And the 30-liter is advertised as 3.12 pounds or 1.45 kilograms. So this bag is super functional. It has three main pockets. The main compartment where you put all your camera gear and the camera cube. They have a front pocket that's really easy to access. And then they have another roll top style pocket at the top with a zipper that you can put smaller things into, which is really nice. There's also a really nice pocket on the top of the bag that I can throw my wallet in, keys, phone, etc. I love having a quick access pocket like this on a bag, especially if I'm through airports and traveling. I could throw my passport in there. It's just a really easy, accessible pocket that I love to have on backpacks. Some other cool key features of the bag: they have an air tag pocket, which is super convenient for someone who travels. They have YKK water resistant zippers. They include compression straps to secure a tripod to the bottom of the bag or any items I could fit down there. I'll be putting my tripod in the side pockets along with an Nalgene, which fits nicely. In one of the side compartments, they have their signature battery storage pouch with level indicators, which I love. Chest strap on the front has a really cool mechanism I've never really seen before that I wanted to highlight really quickly, but it has this nice clicking sound and it's very satisfying to take on and off. It has adjustable padded wide shoulder straps, which is really nice. It's super comfortable. It has a spot for a capture clip and also a spot for your phone on the other side, which is really convenient. They also have adjustments to the back length to get the perfect fit. The waist strap is removable, which is super nice to have. The main compartment you access from the back or the side. The camera cube is a 2-in-1, so it can be two different sizes. They have a larger size and a smaller size. So they're advertising the camera cube to fit one camera and 5 lenses, or one camera, one lens, and a DJI Mini and a MacBook Pro 16-inch. In my case, I can fit one camera body, 3 lenses, one DJI Mini 5 Pro, a mic, the batteries, and then the controller has to sit just outside the camera cube, unfortunately. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realized I forgot to talk about the actual camera cube and if I like it. I think the camera cube that it comes with is so good. It's rigid, it holds its shape, and the Velcro, very good. I find sometimes with camera cubes, the Velcro can be not super strong, but once you put them in place and where you want it, it's not moving. And there's my cat. Anyways, back to the video. So the main feature of this bag that I think really sets it apart from other camera backpacks, it has a patented dual frame system. It contours to your back and distributes the load away from your back. They have this, what they are calling a 3D air channel, to provide air circulation all the time. Is this marking gibberish? I honestly don't think so. It does keep your back very cool, and it does help take the load off your back, which in turn makes you less sweaty, and it's just super comfortable. I also wanted to point out they have this nice like foamy cushion. It sits right on your lower back and it's super squishy, so it does kind of alleviate the pressure if your bag is really heavy, which is a nice little addition to this bag. So now that I've gone through details of the bag that I like and some features that are really nice, I want to kind of talk about some things that I found that were maybe a little negative about the bag, but overall it was kind of hard to find some negatives, but these are some that I found. So the roll top part of the bag, there is no access from that part to the main compartment where your gear is, which is a bit of a letdown. I feel like it would have been nice to put like a zipper in there or somehow design a way so that you can have access through that roll top. I do understand you want to kind of separate stuff, but it would have been nice to have the option of accessing the main compartment. Another thing that I found about the bag I didn't really love was the waist strap. The waist strap is fine. It works for what you need it to, but I wish it was just a bit more comfier, a bit more robust. but I also understand they didn't do that because they want to keep down the weight. If they were to make a bigger style waist strap, I think it would add on to the weight of the bag, but maybe they'll do this in a future iteration. But this is just one small thing that I found that I didn't really like, but again, it does the job. So these are the main things that I noticed about the bag that I like and don't like. It was really hard to find stuff I didn't like about the bag, honestly. I think they really nailed down a lot of the key aspects I'm looking for in a bag, but I've only had the bag for about a month, so maybe I will find some things I don't like. But for right now, it's honestly a very solid option, and I think this might be the bag that I use going forward, just because it's super light, it's super comfortable. I can use it from the trail to the airport, on longer hikes, day trips, etc. It's kind of an all-in-one bag that I've been looking for. So let me know what you guys think of the bag so far based on this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will answer them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos of reviews, tech, and the occasional vlog. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you soon.